How to add more than one photo on Facebook story. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to click on the create a story in the Facebook homepage. When you click on the create a story, then you can see that this, so you can choose any of the photos that you want to add to the story. Let's see, I choose this photo. So you have to choose any of the photo, and after that by holding there two fingers you can resize the size of the photo, and here you can see I am, and you can take it at any place that you want. You can took it in any place that you want, and after that if and you have to click on the stickers in the top right corner. When you click on the stickers, then here you can see the uh, so you can see the gallery. So you can see the gallery, you have to click on the gallery. When you click on the gallery, you can choose another photo. So let's see, I choose this photo, and you can also resize this by holding two fingers, and then you can and you can also replace this. So let's see, I hold this photo to to this place, and this photo to this place. So that's it, that what you need to do to uh, add more than one photo on Facebook story. And after that you have to click on the share, and when you click on the share, then it is shared. So that's basically it, that how you can share the Facebook story in add more than one photo on Facebook story. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.